So today we've been fabric shopping and happy. This has come from the Vinted. It's like a suede leatherette, which will be great for my bags. I also spotted this panel of the same lady. I've ordered a few times from her now. How cute is that? So that's going to be the back of a bag. Some more fabrics I couldn't resist. Sewing machines. Bit of a leafy design. They're all lovely quality. It's absolutely brilliant. And another botanical print. Yeah, so there's some more. We're going on the leafy theme. More lace, because we never have enough lace. I've been dyeing some lace today as well, so I'll show you that later on. It's in the washing machine just now. Oh, I forgot I'd ordered these. Black lace. Gorge. And then some teal silks. Fantastic. I'll only need to be organising them when I'm unpacking, but I'm just too excited. It makes me laugh of everything that you get packaged up in your Vinted parcels. So you never know what you're going to get. So this one is a mystery box. So we've got some t-shirty sweatshirt type fabric. We've got a giraffe brooch. Some more lace. Wow. Vintage tablecloths, table runners. Oh wow, wow. This has got a little bit of hand sewing on. Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous find this. Yep, so we'll be using a lot of these in my designs. Fantastic. So we're just going to have a little dive in for now and then go into it all properly. Like I say, I'm not even going to be... I should really put a ban on the rest shopping for the rest of the year. Never mind the rest of this month. The absolute haulage here. I feel like a pirate. Wowzers. Anything like this, you could even snip them off and then just put onto your, as an embellishment, onto your bag or a belt. Well, this one definitely is going to be embellished onto something, maybe a scarf. Oh, even if they're missing, it doesn't matter because we can just snip them off and use them. That could be done on the side of a belt. So I'm just going to quickly show because I need to go through it all properly. There's like an apple there, the little core, diamond core. Blues, I'm always into the loves with the blues. Pearls. Ah! Aye. This is like your one-eyed Willie's treasure. Oh, yes. And what I'll have to do is go through it all, and anything that I don't want I can just resell it on, but something blue spotted me. Fabulous. See, these little petals have got beads around the end, so that gives me ideas then. I can sew beads onto ribbon and make beaded flowers. be exciting to see all of the things that I'm going to be coming up with over the next few months. Tasselled necklaces. Look at this beastie boy. All of the blues. And then all of the lots of bright colours here, nice beads and all of the brights. So I'll get them all out later and put them all out in the sun so you can have a proper look at them because it's a little bit dark just at the moment. There's a box. What's in the box? What is in the box? What is in the box? Oh, wow! A vintage peacock clam bracelet. Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful. Wowzers. So yeah, that's a good mixture of modern and vintage. I think it's quite more vintage than modern. So that's what we've got so far on the jewels, and we'll show you what we've got from the actual charity shop. Right, so from the charity shop we've got a denim skirt. These are actually brilliant to make bags with. You've already got your substantial part of the bag all ready to go. We just have to line it, possibly change the shape to make it scoopy at the bottom. I think these were 3 for £5, so that's skirt number 1. Just some jeans, the bigger the better really, so we can chop them off, so that's, we can quickly whiz through them. Little denim shorts, ideal again, just chopping them all up, getting as much denim out of we can for that one. Put little handles on, good to go. Another denim skirt. But that's as well, we've already got the pockets on, so sorry, you can hear my washing machine. Which is the pockets, we'll use that as the front of your bag, and then we'll just put like a design or a nice feature of the back. I'm going to hang some of the beads down and make some features out of it, put some tassels on. Looking forward to doing that one. Similar thing, but we found this jumped out at me and I just thought, oh, that looks really cool. Same kind of concept, we'll just make it into a bag, square this off. But I liked how it was like a cord and then the black thread on top of that, making it stand out. That'll be unusual. This dress actually, I might wear it once and then upcycle it. It's from Quiz. Nice lace over nude. Some table runners. I've got this because it's got the cream and the gold. Try and start out with everything as light as possible. This was just a remnant of fabric. It's like a foresty green colour with a goldy overlay, so that's going to be nice. Scarves are a good option because they're already full of sequins. So I think this bundle with a tablecloth, how much was this?
Same one.
Yeah, same fabric. I think there was a tablecloth and a runner. So that was all in one shop, and I think that came to £15, was it?
Another one.
Another. Oh, there was some bits of ribbon already. Yeah, so there was little bits of ribbon. Just have a good ratch about. Ribbons with sequins and another piece of tablecloth. So that was okay for £15. We're doing well out of that shop. And then we were in another shop which was £9. So we set off with these jingle jangle already kind of scarf. A humongous piece of net curtain, massive. And some large, we'll go to the large section, pants for £1. So if you just open these up, I don't know what size they are, they're quite big. But all of the fabric that comes,
Size 18.
Size 18. So there's plenty of fabric in there. We can use it for lining, or the outside. We could do some tie-dyeing on this. It's still a good bargain for £1. These were all £1 each. So some already tie-dye looking fabric, which I thought will serve as a job. Just going to rip this up into shreds, I think, for a boho belt. Similar kind of fabric to what I've already got. So this is what I mean. I definitely can't buy any more till I get rid of some of the till I start making some actual bags. And then we've just got a lacy overlay kind of dress, which can be used for trimming any kind of little odds and sods that we need. Shirley, are we getting to the bottom now, do you think? Another jacket, which is like a canvas jacket, but it was a nice unusual colour. By the time we open it all up, iron it flat, get some decent embellishments off there. And then this was just hanging up, and I couldn't resist it for £1. So I might have to stand up with it. Do you want to help?
Yeah.
Fold it. That's better. Look at the size of that fabric for £1. So that's our haulage today. Thank you to my beautiful model. I'll get it all packed away and we'll have start designing. So here we have our little stash from this week. Just a few items. They're the ones I've made in that corner. Then the blue. I've got some gorgeous pieces. That big piece there, the green, that'll go on the front of a bag. Sorry, I'm sniffling again. All of the pearls. More boho necklaces. Some gothic pieces. Feathers. Lots and lots to choose from.